Hey boys and girls, it's me Blake. Today we're doing lesson 7.2, algebra less than. First thing we do is write our name.
Yes, absolutely, Blake. Write your name, bro.
I almost forgot, but then I remembered. And the essential question says, how can you compare two numbers to find which is less? And so the directions say use number blocks to solve. Draw quick pictures to show your work.
Okay. So what are the two numbers we're comparing?
We're comparing 22 and 28.
Okay, so 22 and 28. So let's go ahead and write 22 on the top. And then 28 on the bottom. And remember, boys and girls, we talked about this imaginary line that separates the tens column and the ones column. And this is actually giving you an actual line separating them.
Yep.
So let's draw quick tens up at the top for 22, Blake.
1, 2.
So that's 20, two 10 stacks, okay?
And then ones, 1, 2.
And two ones. Okay, let's go down below to 28.
1, 2.
Okay, that's 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, and 8 ones. So yesterday, in yesterday's video, you told me we have to go all the way to the left to find out which number is the greatest, right? We look at the tens column, and we have a 2 and a 2. We have the same number in the tens column, Blake. So now what do I do?
So,
Bum, bum, bum!
okay, so if you have two numbers, or if the tens is the same on each number, you'd move to the ones because you can't compare the same number.
Okay.
So in this case, 22. There's 2 in the ones and 8 in the ones.
Why are we looking at the ones column again? When yesterday you told me to look at the tens column, I forgot.
Because you don't compare if it's the same number. So say we have like 44 and 48. So let's just get rid of this. They're the same number, so you can't compare them.
Oh, so because these are both 2, we can't compare them. So we have to go to the ones column.
Yep.
Okay.
So there's 2 here and 8 here. So
Which one's more?
8.
So 8 would be greater. So what does that equal then? What does that mean the greater number would be?
The greater number would be 28.
And the less number would be?
22.
So let's write 22 right there. And then a space and then write 28. And then what would be the symbol that we would use?
We would put it towards 28.
And why is it going towards 28?
Because if you put it towards 22, that would mean it would be the bigger number.
Wrong. It's because this is an alligator and he's hungry and he wants to eat the bigger number. Nom, nom, nom. And 28 is bigger.
Yep.
So we would say 22 is less than 28 because 28 is the greater number.
Yep.
So we say bigger, but in math talk, if we were going to use academic language, the proper term would be greater than. Is that correct, Blake?
Yes.
You would say, yes, that is correct.
Yes, that is correct.
And if you wanted to call me supreme master of all, you could.
I don't, though. Because you're not. That's not true.